To disable blue ticks on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version so that you avoid any sort of glitches on your phone while using the application. So just go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp application. Now if there are any options of update available, that it means it needs update, but if there are no update available, then it means that your app is updated to its latest version on your device. So wait for and we can check if our app needs an update or not on this device. So as you can see, there's no update option available, so my app is updated on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead to the home page of WhatsApp application. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on settings. Now scroll down to privacy, tap on privacy, and you can see the option of read it is enabled here. So just disable it, and as we disable it, won't be seeing or receiving read receipts, and read receipts are always sent for group chat. This generally does not show if our message has been seen or not, or if we have not seen any messages delivered to us. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.